Welcome everyone. Today we want to talk about how to write a good email to apply for a job. So let's look at that together. First of all, you want to, your address, your email address, you type it in up here. And then you want to the company you're writing to, specifically the department that's advertised their email. And so you type that in. And then you go to the subject. The subject is what position you're applying for. And so let's say that you're applying for an English teacher. And so you type in here, English teacher and position. And then you begin to compose your email. And so you dear, John, say John Smith, dear John, or dear Mr. Smith, sorry. Dear Mr. Smith, we've that I hope you are doing well. You are well today. I am applying for the English teacher position at your institute. Now I'm applying at your institute. Yeah. I have 5 years of experience teaching English and you want to include your other skills as well. But apart from you may be teaching English, you may be teaching communication, speech, other things, and 5 years of and related subjects. So you tell some things that you have skills in or you've had duties with. And then you that I am eager to join your organization and provide excellent service. Please find my attached resume below. I am happy to discuss this opportunity further with you. Discuss this opportunity. Further. With you. I appreciate your kind consideration. Kind consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay. I look forward to hearing from you. And sincerely, or kind regards, it's a nice way, kind regards. Comma. And then you give your name. Let's say John Smith. And your telephone number, including your country code. So 0977 98234567. Okay, and your email. You say so. That's what your Charlie. Nepal at gmail.com. And then you give your city, your city name. Say you're from Pokhara, Nepal. Pokhara, Nepal. So they can see that here immediately. Okay. Then you make sure that you attach your biodata, your resume. Yeah. Make sure you attach your make sure you attach your resume, and you have a simple letter there that you can send then to several different organizations and institutes that you can follow that same style. Of course, you can enhance it further, and but that's a simple way to write it. Yeah.